Hello teacher everyone. Today is my explanation. Hello, my mother. My mother is loving and dedicated woman. To say family. Easy order the 42. We like brown hair and brown edges. She admitted incontinence and she is away helpless. She's loving to folk of families and elegant. So advanced friends show he like work consists of working at the physical education. A visual art teacher for 20. She also dedicated time to ready some of su favorite vacation destiny at the beach to Acapulco, Veracruz, and Huatulco. She went to forest of Zacatán and Chinahuapan. Puebla consists to favorite menus family to experience. We spend Christmas together with my mother and grandfather family. They get to give and share to a delicious dinner at 4:40 grams. My mother is mother the chase of granny organics of the house. My father is a staunch opposing man. This is what the thing. She says that he are blonde edges and it was a feeling of the face. His passion for music and continues to study online. He is 14. He likes the occasionally like see and jeans. Identity consists of four and shoulder. Necessity and play basketball. At the work, he spent time with other family. His favorite vacation experience at the destination as we are going to beach. One of favorite family experiences is camping together and for the house grounds. My father headed at the repair or maintenance of the house. My sister. My younger sister is an energy Aquarius at the 22 years. She's a dark hair and big brown edges. She is passionate about video games, technology, and requests exploring new arts and games. She likes to wear athletic clothes such as shirts and sweatpants. Her daily activities consist of studying at the school and playing with the friends. His favorite vacation destiny includes swimming and amusement parks. Only all favorite family experience is spending all playing together at lunch. At for house grounds, my sister is a sketchy or the dance are happy with acquaintance. My horse. She's a woman of the experience of the cost of the empty 2 years. She says the sister of my grandfather, Rogelio. Was he lost the school years? We miss his daddy. He's a head very granny and he's age at the coffee age. She is passionate about the cooking and a love taking care of dogs. He's a very good prepare delicious curry and curry for the His likes to wear comfortable clothes and comfortable shoes. The boss is to move easy. His daily routine consists of the caring huskies, puppies, Luna and Jaco, and spending time with our family. One also family experience with a kid is spending us listening to stories and advice. As for the sauce guns, my own is scanning or cooking and preparing special meals. Here a description. I am a curious and passionate person. I'm 29 years old. I have next hair, happy from age. I love business, tea, exploring new quiz. I enjoy basketball, movies, video game. Daddy, I'm going to school. Thank you, Major, everyone.